Welcome to Kahoot. Kahoot is a online quiz site, trivia question website / application that I've used in my PE classes to check for student understanding. So my audience is obviously my students. And the goal here is just to make sure my students can understand some of the basics of whatever unit I'm teaching, whether it's a skill, a safety, or naming parts of equipment and so forth. That is what I use Kahoot for. So I'm going to show you an example of this. An arrow. I was about exactly how I did that. So I'm going to go to the Kahoot website. And I've already logged in on my iPad. You can't see my iPad. It's in my hands right now. But I logged in as coach. And what's cool about this is you can make this kind of like a trivia. I was really into trivia in college and so forth. And you can do team trivia or individual trivia. So not only are you checking for student understanding, but it's making it a game out of it. It's a lot of fun. Of course, I don't have anyone here. So it's just I'm playing against myself, so I should probably win. But there I am logged in as coach, and the teacher would go ahead and start the game. And then on the iPad it says get ready because the information is loading, and you can see on my screen it says loading. And there's the first question. It says, what is not one of the 11 steps of archery success? And you can airplay this onto a what I did is I airplayed it onto a slide, and so all the students can see the questions. I'm going to go ahead and answer get an arrow because that is not one of the 11 steps, and click next. And I'm currently in the lead. And the point total is based off of accuracy and how fast you do it. Go to the next question. What is it called when you shoot without an arrow in the bow? So the students are reading that, and then now they have the opportunity to click on their iPad. One of the answers, either triangle or the diamond shape or the circle. And that answer is dry firing. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. When do you retrieve your arrows? You can see this quiz was 15 questions long. Not the correct answer. Go ahead and give it a wrong answer. It says, what is the A on the bow? So again, you can see where the kids are going to have a lot of fun here, and here's where you can add photos in, and you can have the students, locating parts of the bow. See, this is what I actually had on the dry erase board that week. And then I just took a picture of it and I inserted it into the Kahoot. I'm going to go ahead and answer it incorrectly. Oh, and I pressed lower limb. And you can see that was my answer, lower limb, and the correct answer was actually the upper limb. So there's Kahoot. At the end of Kahoot, you would have the results, and students can go back and take the quiz again. Just a really fun, interactive way to test on students' knowledge and check for their understanding. Really easy to use. And like I said, it's kind of in game form, so it makes it fun and exciting. And I hope you like Kahoot.